to do the shoe project using Adobe Photoshop Sketch. First, I'm going to go to Google Images and I'm going to type in sketch of shoe. Or you could do sketch of whatever you want. Now, once you find the image, click on it so it's nice and large, and then to save it to your phone or your tablet, you want to click and hold, and it will give you the message save as image, or it might say save to camera roll. So you want to save as image, save to camera roll. You want to save it so it's on your phone or on your tablet. It might also say download image. Any of those will work. So now that my image is saved, I'm going to open up Adobe Photoshop Sketch or Procreate or whatever app you're using on your phone or your tablet. I'm going to hit the plus to start a new project, choose my size, and now I'm going to hit the plus sign and I'm going to add an image layer from my gallery. And there's my gallery, and I'm going to choose the image I want. I'm going to size it and hit the checkbox. Now I need to get my image layer underneath the sketch layer. You want sketch layer on top. So you see how I move that? I'm going to select my sketch layer, and then I'm going to choose a black paintbrush, relatively thin, relatively small, and I'm going to start tracing my shoe. Make sure you're not on the image layer. Make sure you're on a sketch layer. If you're on the image layer, it's not going to work. You're going to have to start over. So I'm on the sketch layer. I'm going to speed this up so you can see it in action. When you're finished tracing, you want to shut the eyeball off on the image layer. That's because we no longer need that image. We have our own image that we just traced. So hit that eyeball and the image will disappear. Now I'm going to add a new layer and I'm going to put it underneath the black outline. You see how the layer that I'm choosing is underneath the sketch layer? This is my color layer, and this is where you start coloring in, making your design. And you notice you don't want it to be on top, you want it to be underneath that layer on its own layer. So you have a sketch layer and a color layer and an image layer, and your image layer should be shut off. So once you're finished coloring it in and designing, you're going to click in the upper right corner. You can select Save to Gallery. That will save it to your phone or your camera roll. Or you can just click Share in Gmail, and you can Gmail it directly to me. Or you can Gmail it directly to yourself and then upload it to Otis. Or if you have Otis on your phone or your tablet, you can just upload it to Otis. So email me if you have questions about how to upload it and turn it in.